Banga Rice, aroma sweet from Warri Street to every seat. Oh, Banga Rice, aroma sweet from Warri Street to every seat. Welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. If you've been with me from the very start, you remember my first video, Banga Soup. Well, today we are taking it to the next level, making something special, Banga Rice. Today, join me as we travel to Main Market Warri, Delta State, Nigeria, to get the ingredients we need. Banga Rice, aroma sweets from Warri Street. The ingredients are the Banga sauce. This is the Banga sauce after the oil has been extracted without adding any spices. If you want to see how that is done, please watch my previous video by clicking the link above. We have the already made stew. If you want to know how this was made, also click the link above. We have habanero peppers. We have medium red onion. We also have our dried fish. For the dried ingredients, we have our grinded crayfish, seasoning cube, Jemies Soup Spice, salt to taste, and of course, a basmati rice or rice of your choice. First, I'm slicing the onion, slicing the habanero peppers. First, we add our Banga sauce. And we add our stew. Next, we add our sliced onion, habanero pepper sliced. Add to that ground crayfish. So we'll cover and allow this to cook for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes has passed. We'll add our dried fish. We'll add salt to taste. Then our Jemies Soup Spice. So let's cover that for 5 more minutes. Next, we add our rice. We'll add our seasoning cube. So we allow to cook till it's soft. 20 minutes has passed. It's now soft. So let's mix everything together. Banga rice. Cut our Banga rice. Banga rice is ready to be served. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment and let me know if you like this recipe.